Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about advanced operation in pandas. So let's start. First thing is pivoting data frame. A pivot table enables you to summarize a large amount of data in a matter of minutes. You can transform endless rows and columns into meaningful presentation of the data. Means you can summarize your entire data frame into the meaningful and sort it in a very easy method. Pivot method reshape data based on column values and return reshaped data frame. Pivot function takes maximum 3 arguments with the following name like index, column and values. And here this is the example of pivoting. So let's see the coding window. Firstly, check the data frame that we have created, class 12, TF. This is your actual data frame. That columns is name, subject, score and grade. Now we are going to make a pivot table. See this. We use here P. This is another variable where we store our pivot table. We use df.pivot function that contains index is equal to name and columns is equal to subject and values is equal to score. Let's see the output. See here, after pivoting we use index is equal to name. So the first is name, index column. Now column is equal to subject because in our data frame subject column contains two values, that is accounts and economics. So this column is divided into two parts, account column and economics column separately. And values is equal to score. We use in the coding values is equal to score. So only for a score column these are the values that contains only score value. Grade is missing because we don't use grade. See here, for ASNA the marks means score of account subject 89 and in the economics it contains none, means there is no marks assigned for the economics to the ASNA because ASNA has no economic subject. That's why here this is missing. And for JAC the marks of account means score of accounts 45 and economics is missing because JAC has no economics marks. And for Raghu the account marks is missing and the economics is 98.0. The next topic is using fill NF function with pivot table. See here, this is the primary method that is used only for print. tf.pivot index is equal to name, column is equal to subject, values is equal to score, that is same. in the previous statement, dot fill NA is equal to space. It means none value is replaced by blank space. Or you can also write this simple statement PV dot fill NA, because we have already stored the pivot table in the PV variable. So we use this method. Let's see the example. This is the previous output for pivoting table, that some values are missing, that contains none value. But when we use fill NA function, see this here for us now, and for the economics column there is blank spaces, no marks is assigned, none, means none is replaced by blank spaces, because we use here fill NA is equal to spaces. Now remove these statements. Next topic is pivoting with multiple columns. Simple. Df dot pivot index is equal to name, columns is equal to subject, and values is equal to score and grade. In the previous example, we don't use grade column, we use only score column, but here we use score and grade both. Let's see the output. See here, because in the coding we use values is equal to score, so here the main two columns is score and grade, and we use column is equal to subjects, that contains two subjects, account and economics. So for the score column it is divided into two parts, accounts and economics, and for the grade is divided into two parts, account and economics. And then this is the values for score and for the grade column. You can also use here fill NA function also. You can also remove the one parameter, means values. The output will be same, because the index is name, column is equal to subject, and there are two values are given, marks and score and grade. See, this is also the method to use multiple columns in pivoting tables. Thanks for watching.